Mbuvi Sonko is worse than Odhiambo Kidero. Mbuvi Sonko is the worst of the worst in the Republic of Kenya. He has a criminal record for fraud and land grabbing and theft and drug trafficking. He was sentenced for more than 6 months, which is the stipulated constitutional provision. At Shimolatewa, he escaped from prison, committed the second crime, and has not gone back. He changed his name, has forged a degree, he has a fake degree. And so this is a multiple criminal. On top of it, he's peddling illicit drugs, cocaine and heroin in Nairobi and Mombasa. He's killing our innocent children by peddling drugs. The so-called Sonko rescue teams are vehicles mainly used for shipping and transshipping drugs in the city of Nairobi. That is what they are used for primarily. They're not rescuing anybody. They are used for distribution of drugs. Sonko single-handedly destroyed Buruburu, the estate that we, who used to go to the University of Nairobi, used to call the 14th hall. Because whenever you qualified and graduated from the University of Nairobi, even as a DO, a district officer, that's where graduates used to go and live. You cannot live there anymore. Well, people live there, but the conditions are very bad. Not only is it dirty, broken down, a lot of drugs, a lot of brothels, a lot of music all over throughout the night. That is Mbuvi Sonko's legacy to Buruburu, to Nairobi. He's not just a thief, a land grabber who learned how to grab land when his father used to be the Register of Land in Kwale. But this man is a drug dealer whom the FBI and the CIA petitioned Kenya to expatriate or to repatriate, to take to the US to be tried and punished. So he has not reformed. Wearing a suit does not replace a demented brain. A primitive man will be a primitive man, whether they wear a suit or they walk naked. So Mbuvi Sonko has not become civilized because he's now wearing suits. Mbuvi Sonko has not acquired a new brain because somebody tailored him up. Mbuvi Sonko has not become logical and reasonable and civilized because somebody told him to wear a suit. Mbuvi Sonko will not be different because now they have given him somebody called Igathe, Chris Kirubi's son. Now let's talk about Chris Kirubi's son. Number one, Chris Kirubi's son is not running for governor of Nairobi. Only Mbuvi Sonko is. These are not delegated duties. When you are elected governor, you're not going to delegate executive duties.